Hello friends, welcome back, or if you are new here, welcome. I know I don't usually do a Sunday video, but I wanted to do a quick video because I had a grocery haul for you. I also wanted to share our weekly meal plan so you know what I will be posting on Friday. So this is a shorter video, but I will be back again tomorrow for our normal Monday video. I have another grocery haul for you. This is for about a week. There's a lot of snacks and stuff. We are a homeschool family of 6, so a lot of our meals are at home. And I do usually do one large grocery haul every month where I get a lot of meats. So I didn't need a ton of meat this week. It was mostly kind of snacks and fill things in and to get stuff for our dinners for the week. So I will also post in this video the dinners that I'm planning for the week. But let's start over here. We got milk. Our milk has went up again in Walmart. It is like $4.50. I don't know why it's fluctuating so much, but it was only like close to 2 something a couple weeks ago. So it's back up to $4.50. We got half and half, a vanilla almond milk. I'm going to try, I don't know if it's viral, but that pink drink. I saw them use it wasn't Crystal Light, but I couldn't find the one that they used in the video online. But it was strawberry lemonade, like a squeeze thing. And then the Mio acai berry. And then freeze-dried strawberry crisps. So those are for the video that I saw online. I'll let you know if it ends up turning out, but it's supposed to be like the Starbucks pink drink. My husband wanted Frosted Flakes. Him and my oldest tend to eat these for dessert, so he wanted Frosted Flakes this week. I got more flour for baking. I'm going to do like chocolate chip oatmeal pumpkin bars, so I got some stuff for that. Condensed milk for baking. I was out of garlic, so I got garlic. My daughter likes these for lunches, so I got a couple of those for quick lunches for her. Some oats for our yogurt bowl. These are really, really good. These tend to be the only ones we're buying because they're a favorite in our family, the oats and honey one. This is the coffee that I buy every single week. It's my favorite one. I got these oats because I kind of needed more. I didn't have enough, and I'm gonna make like the protein balls, so I got some for that. I needed some more. Some tuna. I have not tried this, but I got it for like a Chinese chicken bowl recipe, and I figured we would just try this one. More peanut butter, mayo, some honey, oil, and ketchup. For some quick lunches, I got some mac and cheese. I got a thing of ramen because I haven't been buying it, and you would think that my teenagers' lives were gonna end without ramen, so I did get them ramen this week. We got some rice for the bowls I'll be making, some bow tie pasta for another dinner. I got 3 different kinds of cheese. So we got sharp cheddar cheese, pepper jack, and Colby jack for some quick snacks and lunches with some hard salami. We got cheddar cheese, a large thing of that, and then a smaller thing of the Italian style. I got cream cheese this week, and I did get bagels. So I'm on top of it this week. However, I didn't get multiple yogurts. I thought we had more, and we didn't. So I might end up having to go and get more yogurt. My kids they've tried several different kinds. They just had Greek yogurt this morning, but this is their favorite one, the vanilla low-fat Walmart kind, and they make bowls with all kinds of fruits in them, and it's been a huge hit lately. I needed more butter. I got these eggs, and I am not happy about it like most people. This was $6 for the 12. I believe. I just last weekend went to Sam's Club and I got the 18, I got two 18 packs of the brown eggs from Sam's Club, and that seemed to be the best price. So it was just, I think it was like the same price as this. It was like just over $5. I got two. So for 3 dozen eggs, I got them for $10, and that was a steal in my area. The box that I usually buy is over $30 now. So if you are a Sam's member, I do highly suggest checking out their eggs because that seemed to be the best price. But I am about an hour from Sam's Club, so these will have to do this week. I got some Cheez-Its for snacks, butter cheddars. We have not bought those in so long, and they're so good. So I got those. Some normal buttery crackers. Like I said, I got the bagels. Pretzels for snacks. I got white corn tortillas and flour tortillas for different meals. I was craving these this week and I didn't want to have to make my own, so that was kind of a splurge for me. I wanted those, so those are for me, the English muffins. We got Drano because I have long hair, and for maintenance I got that so our showers don't clog or anything with my long hair. Lime Away, this stuff is really great. We have really hard water, and so this works so good on all of our hard water stains and all that kind of stuff. So I really like using this occasionally. I do not use it very often because it is very, very strong, but I do use it ever so often. I got vinegar. I use this in cooking, but a lot of times I will use it occasionally to wash towels with. That's ever so often, so I don't like ruin my washer or anything, but I do use it for cleaning things as well. So I got a big thing of that because we were out. The fruits and vegetables. Now I did do this as an order because I really couldn't run in. And if you have seen my other videos, you know that that makes me so nervous, especially with fruits and vegetables, because they're notorious for doing terrible, like they'll give me rotten fruits and vegetables. I got very lucky this time and I did not see any. So I got the large navel oranges. I got a whole bag of that. I got a bag of the little peelies. We got these tricolor peppers. You know, they're supposed to be 3 colors, but the last couple times I've gotten them, they don't have, what is it, supposed to be yellow or green? I think it's supposed to be yellow, but I don't know, they're always red and orange. We got these sweet peppers too. We love these. I cut them up and we put them on veggie trays, which is a lot of what this is actually going to be, for quick grab and go snacks, and these are one of our favorite things to put on those veggie trays. I also got carrots for those. So the whole bananas, I only got 4 bananas because I've seen the horror stories online where if you put in like 4 bananas in your pickup order, there's people that have gotten like 4 pounds of bananas, and I was scared that they were going to leave me with 4 pounds of bananas. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just going to do 4 and see what happens and hope that I don't get 4 pounds of bananas, or, you know, and at least I have at least 4 bananas if they did not. So I got 4 bananas for that. Tricolor coleslaw for, what am I doing with this? Oh, I'm going to do like a shrimp tacos, and I love this on shrimp tacos. So I got that for that. Just a couple bags of frozen vegetables to add to our freezer with our other ones. My 5-year-old loves radishes. This is like a new thing of his that he recently found. So the rest of us love them too, but it's just kind of funny because he's a little pickier and doesn't tend to go for like the vegetables because he's 5 and he loves radishes. So I got more radishes. I got avocados, and I did them in just this bag because honestly I did not trust them to pick out the avocados. So I just ordered a bag and figured they're very, very hard, but I figured eventually they'll be fine to use. This one is like a rock, but that's why I did the bag of those. And then a bag of Gala apples, sweet potatoes. I got a bag of them. I got a thing of celery. I did not need a lot of meat this week, and honestly, I really just got meat for this week for the different meals. So I got a 5-pound bag of drumsticks. We're going to do barbecue chicken one night. We got chicken sausage, the apple kind, and I'm gonna put this in a pasta. We got shrimp. I opted just to get the already cooked, peeled, and deveined shrimp. What is it? Oh, for the tacos. So I'm gonna do that. And then we got another pot roast because we haven't had one in like one entire week, and this is my new obsession. So I got another pot roast. My husband requested Pop-Tarts. He likes to bring them to work, and they're easy when he's on job sites. So for a quick breakfast, we got those. I have never bought these, but I figured my kids would like them. They're just little bags, 10 snack packs of mini chocolate chip cookies. Fudge rounds. These are for my husband's lunch. He likes these and asks for them every week. And then a thing of cookies. I also got, where is it? Oh, water and potatoes. So for this week, this was under $300, but just about $300. Oh no, it was $300 because I did run in and grab this, but that was the only thing. So it was $300 for our groceries this week. And like I said, I will include the recipes that we are going to use all of these things for. Now that I have groceries all put away, I'm going to sit down and work on our weekly meal plan for the week. I do this most weeks, not all of them, but I do them most weeks, where I write down the meals that we're going to be having throughout the week. Sometimes they can differ, but generally I do stick to this. And I really just do this for myself. My kids, they like looking at it and being able to see what we're going to have each week. But I look at it mostly for, it's like, oh yeah, that's what I bought ingredients for. So it kind of gives me a peace of mind and clears up some of that mental load that us parents often have to deal with. This week I am trying a couple different meals, and I'm kind of switching the meats up a little bit and kind of getting out of that funk that I've been in recently. So we are going to be doing a chicken sausage pasta, Chinese bowls one night. I'm going to do a chili shrimp taco one night, barbecue chicken, a pot roast that you'll actually see in this video. I'm going to do chicken fajita bowls, and we'll have a day of leftovers. For some extra stuff, I'm going to be making pumpkin oatmeal bars and peanut butter balls. These meals are in no particular order. They are just a reminder of what I bought ingredients for, so I can glance at the fridge where I usually keep this and figure out what I need to pull out that day. But I used to have it Monday through Sunday, and I felt that my kids held me to that. So there are days where you don't want to make what you originally planned. And I'm really guilty of that, where I will wake up and I'll be like, you know what, that doesn't sound good. Or if something popped up on our schedule, I might not have the time allotted for that meal, and I need a quicker meal. So instead of doing Monday through Sunday, I did just 1 through 7. And then I have a little area in the bottom where I post anything that I want to do that's extra, any desserts, any baked goods. I don't put bread on there because that's just a regular thing. We regularly make bread, so I don't add that on there. But anything extra that we want to try that week, I put on there. Tonight, I am just throwing together a quick pot roast. It is one of my new favorite things to make, and it is perfect for a Sunday dinner. So we are doing a pot roast and then mashed potatoes and green beans. It is simple and it is exactly what I am craving on this cold winter day. The rest of the meals that you saw in my meal plan for the week, I will have posted in our usual Friday video, where you can see the meals that I cooked for my family each week and how to make them. I will also be posting recipes in that video, so if that is something you would like to see, go ahead and subscribe and like this video. That really helps out my channel. But that is actually all I have for you today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and doing the grocery haul and getting us set up nicely for a new week. I will be back tomorrow morning with a brand new video for you. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.